In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Datadog Anomaly monitor. By the end, you'll know how to set up a monitor that flags unusual behavior in your metrics, so you can catch issues early and reduce alert noise. First, go to Datadog. Once you're in the app, head to the left-hand sidebar and click Monitoring. This is your hub for creating and managing monitors across metrics, logs, and more. Next, click New Monitor. This opens the Create workflow where you'll choose the type of monitor you want. Select Anomaly. Anomaly monitors are great when normal behavior changes over time or varies by time of day, making fixed thresholds less effective. Now choose the detection method. Datadog provides options tailored to different patterns, like seasonality for daily or weekly cycles, or more robust approaches that downweight outliers. Use the preview chart to see how each method learns a baseline and highlights departures from expected trends. Pick the one that best matches your metric's behavior and appetite for sensitivity. Click Define the metric. In the metric selector, choose the metric you want to watch. Think things like request latency, error rate, or CPU usage. Apply any needed filters or tags to scope to the right services, environments, or hosts. If you're monitoring many sources, decide whether to group by a tag or aggregate across them. Adjust rollups and time aggregation so the graph reflects the signal you care about, not just point-in-time noise. Confirm the live preview looks reasonable before moving on. Set alert conditions. Choose the evaluation window and sensitivity so the monitor balances responsiveness with stability. Decide whether to alert on upward anomalies, downward anomalies, or both. If brief spikes are common, require the anomaly to persist for a short duration before alerting to reduce false positives. Configure how alerts group per host, per service, or at a global level so notifications are actionable for the right teams. Configure notifications and automations. Write a clear title and message that explain the impact. Include relevant variables like the metric and tags, and link to graphs or a runbook. Route alerts to the channels your team uses, and if available, connect automations such as creating tickets or triggering workflows to speed up response. Finally, define permissions and audit notifications. Limit who can edit or mute the monitor, grant view access to stakeholders who need visibility, and enable audit notifications so changes are tracked and surfaced to your designated channel or logs for compliance and transparency. That's it. You've set up a Datadog anomaly monitor that learns normal behavior, alerts on meaningful deviations, and routes the right signal to the right people.